How to book a lesson package on magicGerman.net. Please be advised to always first book either a trial lesson or a single lesson before you commit to have multiple lessons with your teacher. When you choose to buy a package, please go to the product page. We currently offer either German for beginners, conversation classes, or business German. And on the product page, you then find the links to book a package. You may choose from different options, and after pressing Book Now, you will get to the booking page. On this booking page, please choose the package and then continue. On the following page, you get the option to book the lessons. You do not need to book the lessons, or you do not need to book all the lessons. You may choose to book one lesson or multiple or none at this stage. So for now, I'm adding one appointment on Saturday, 9 o'clock, and I add the appointment, and maybe a second one on the 7th at 12. And then I will continue to check out. So I am buying a lesson package with 13 lessons and have already scheduled 2 out of the 13 lessons. After this, please continue as you did with the trial or single lesson you booked before. Thank you for choosing Magic German.